Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Brand Ambassador of G Divas from the Gitanjali Group, Neha Dhupia. Ladies and gentlemen, our designers for the evening, Swa by Sonam and Paras Modi. And ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Nishit Mehta, President Gitanjali Group. And I shall request Mr. Nishit Mehta to say a few words.
Congratulate the Gem and Jewelry Council for creating this excellent property in the IIJW. I hope you guys had a great time and thank you for coming.
Ladies and gentlemen, our show has been choreographed by Anu Ahuja, show produced by the Gitanjali Group and executed by Pegasus Events. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Gitanjali Group, thank you very much for your gracious presence here. We hope you've enjoyed the show as much as we've enjoyed bringing it to you. MV by Gitanjali and Gemfields has been brought to you as part of IIJW 2013. IIJW 2013 has been organized by the Gem and Jewelry Expo.
Any questions?
सुशील सर एक साथ में फोटो करना यहाँ पे नेहा जी यहाँ पे मैडम ये सेंटर ये शेयर यहाँ
Neha, Describe the outfit that you're wearing. The outfit. We need this. अरे यार बूम लगाना पड़ेगा तो इन लोगों को बोल हटाने को.
Guys, ask the question.
Describe the outfit that you're wearing today.
It's okay. You tell us about your outfit and about tonight's event.
Well, good evening, everyone. This beautiful outfit has been designed by Sonam and Paras Modi, who are right here with me. And they've designed all the collections, the 4 collections that you saw in the last sequence. And this, of course, is a bridal version from their collection. And the beautiful jewelry that I'm wearing is by Gitanjali Jewels. And this is the Nizam collection. It's full of uncut diamonds, and I've decided today to make it look different by wearing a neck piece on my head. And what's a bride in the making who doesn't really have too much fun with her jewelry, and that's what I'm representing today, apart from Gitanjali Jewels that I have been representing for the past 5 years, and my brand new relationship with Sonam and Paras Modi, who are the designers of this outfit. You know, I really love uncut jewelry, like the one that I'm wearing right now. And I never get bored because you can put it on with Western or Indian jewelry and it always makes every outfit look beautiful. And I would like to possess more uncut jewelry. And yes, I am in the process. These are baby steps I take every year, which are a very conscious decision to buy a piece of jewelry every year or biannually. So I'm like every other woman you know. I get very fascinated by jewelry, but the only difference is I don't wear it all the time. But thank God you said aap kab kar rahe hain. The last person who asked me a question, he's like, if and when you get married. Yes, I will get married. When, I don't know. I'm not dating anyone, or I don't see any potential husbands in and around my neighborhood. I might have to go a little far to find one. Well, I wouldn't marry an idiot if he gave me a piece of jewelry. But yeah, if he was tall, fair or dark doesn't matter. Handsome matters. Extremely smart and intelligent. I can go on with the qualities. If he has all those qualities, he doesn't need to get me jewelry. I think men get jewelry for women either when they're guilty or when they're overcompensating for some lack of something in their life. I've seen a lot of men who go and buy jewelry when they're doing something wrong for their wives and girlfriends. I know all the men who are sitting here will agree with me. Well, it's not happened till now, but when it happens, yeah, he bloody well have a ring for me if he's proposing to me. Going down on his knees and saying, will you marry me is not good enough. Thank you. Thank you.